Well, cases of COVID-19 are finally going down, but that Omicron surge pushed levels higher than ever. Right here in Houston, tens of thousands of people were getting tested every day. Well, tonight, Stephanie Whitfield takes us inside one of the labs processing all of those results.
Every time a patient at Houston Methodist tests positive for COVID-19, that sample is brought to this biosafety lab, where these technicians run even more tests to figure out which variant each patient has.
We're the background. Most people don't really know what we do.
Most of this 10-person team is fresh out of college. These 3 young women are 23.
I became a biochemist after I graduated, and then my uncle passed away from COVID, so I wanted to be personally involved.
Being involved has meant working 12-hour days, 6 days a week. Here's why. Each of these plates holds samples from 96 different patients, all infected with COVID-19. The day we visited, they were processing the 107th and 108th batches in January. During the worst part of the recent wave, these techs handled more than 1,200 samples in a single day. When things are good, they get fewer than 50 positive tests to process a day.
At least here we still have fun. So, and we know that we're helping people out. So it's still very much something we look forward to.
They call themselves the background of the front lines. They work hard to help patients who will never even see them. What they do matters because figuring out what variant each patient has helps doctors learn more about the COVID-19 virus and predict when another wave is coming.
We're never asked to work more than what we were hired to do, but we choose to come on the weekends and choose to stay late hours because we know how it directly affects patient care.
This was the team that found the very first cases of the Omicron and stealth Omicron variants in Houston. And this team knows this wave is waning. But with more variants possible, they're ready to be on the front lines until this pandemic is over. Stephanie Whitfield, KHOU 11 News.